For manufacturing, we have the Introduction to Manufacturing course where students will come in and they'll probably never have designed. They'll start to design anything in 3D. So they'll start to learn how to design things on a CAD program. They'll learn what a STL file is. They'll learn about the manufacturing process. They'll learn about materials that we use in manufacturing, raw materials or finished goods or things like this.
Manufacturing, anytime I ask people what they think manufacturing is, you usually get the same answer all around, but I usually go for the very casual answers. It's just making stuff, and literally stuff. Everything needs to be made. Our clothes, cars, planes, trains, the seats that we're sitting in, these cameras right here, our phones, right? Everything needs to be made, and we need people to be making it. We need people to understand the troubleshooting aspect of it. You have to figure out, well, this didn't work, so how do you do this now? And that's what manufacturing is making sure that we can keep on producing the goods that we're used to in our everyday lives.
In the Advanced Manufacturing Foundations course, students are going to come in and learn design. We're going to learn about design. We're going to learn about the history of manufacturing. We're going to learn about different tools and resources that we use in manufacturing. We're going to learn about different materials that we use, and they're going to have a good foundation of what the manufacturing field is like. They're also going to have an opportunity to earn credits through Housatonic Community College because we have a partnership, and the students in the Advanced Manufacturing Foundations course will learn some subtractive manufacturing techniques. Okay? They'll learn how to use a CNC machine. They'll learn how to use drills and grinders and things like this. But they'll also learn a lot about additive manufacturing and be able to use 3D printers and design things that really, if you think about it, have never existed before, because we can kind of use both CNC machines and 3D printers. We can hybridize those two techniques of manufacturing and build whatever we want.
So the exciting part of any manufacturing course is just getting to make things. Every course that you take in manufacturing is going to lead to you being a better machinist on the machines. And then that is where the fun really comes in. Any manufacturing course is getting to be on the machines and make something from nothing.